Alright, sports fans, it's me again from North Dakota. We've had a pretty lucky winter so far. It's actually been a good year. But today, we got 60-mile-an-hour winds, up to 60-mile-an-hour winds. And yeah, she's pretty much white out there. You don't want to leave. As you know, if you've watched my other videos, that little shelter belt there protects us in here. But yeah, she's blowing right through the trees. Pretty nice there. I think it's supposed to be, I don't know, 20 below? Hope that's not fake news, but you can see you don't want to go out there today driving your car, because there's the road. So yeah, alright, well, you guys have a good day, and I'll keep you posted on North Dakota blizzards. Have a good day.